Hello learner, this is Teacher Nolly from Tayug National High School. Welcome to another session of Programming 1.
This video will help you apply the different operators and control structures in Small Basic. There are three types of operators in programming, namely arithmetic operators, relational operators, and logical operators. These operators are heavily used in scientific and mathematical equations, but they are also very useful when it comes to programming. For us to see how they are used, let's create a temperature converter program from Fahrenheit to Celsius. For this program, we will use the following formula. Let's break down our main goal. The first step of our program is to inform an end user to enter a Fahrenheit value. The second step is to store that Fahrenheit value that will be given by the user using a variable. The third step is to compute or convert the Fahrenheit value given by the end user to the Celsius value. And the last step is to display the converted temperature. For our first step, we will display a text informing the end user to enter a Fahrenheit value. To do this, let's begin our first line of code with text window. We are using this object because we want to receive a text as an input from a user. This will be followed by the code write. Write is an operation under the object text window. The function of this code is to allow a user to write a text on the same line. Then we will put the text we want to display, enclosed with parentheses and quotation marks. This line of code accomplishes our first step. The second step of our program is to store the data that will be given by the user. To do that, we will introduce a variable named Fahrenheit. The variable will be followed by the text window. The object text window will allow us to use the operation read number, which will allow our variable Fahrenheit to read the number that will be provided by the end user. The third step is to simply encode the formula for conversion of Fahrenheit to Celsius. For our fourth step, which is to display the converted value, we will use again the text window object. But this time, instead of using write as an operation, we will use writeLine. This will allow us to display the converted temperature value on a separate line. Now, we want to show the words temperature in Celsius is along with the converted temperature or the value of the variable Celsius. So we added a plus icon. Take note that the value of Celsius will depend on the Fahrenheit that will be given by the end user. This line of code will complete our program. Go ahead and enter the code in your Small Basic application and see for yourself how it works. What operators are used in our program? As you can see, we have used different arithmetic operators such as multiplication, division, subtraction, and addition. Which control structure is used on our temperature converter? Is it A. Sequential control structure, B. Selection control structure, or C. Repetition control structure? Correct. Our program utilized the sequential control structure. Let's see how is it utilized. This is how we utilize sequential control structure in the program that we have just created. First, our program asks the user to input a Fahrenheit value. Then, our program converts that Fahrenheit value. This is followed by the displaying of the correct Celsius value. In this video, you have used operators and control structures in Small Basic.
And that ends our lesson for today. See you on our next video. Keep safe!